ó possible.
It's possible.
Tẹ́gbẹ́ lẹ́yìn ìgbà tí Tinubu bá ṣe president ayé lè parẹ́.
That after Tinubu have become a president, the
Gbọ́dọ̀
world can
sọ
come to
tẹ́ ẹ máa
an
ṣe
end
sí.
because there's nothing you can do about
Tinubu is
it.
your next president.
Tinubu ni ààrẹ yín tó ń bọ̀.
Mi ì fẹ́ sọ́bọ̀ mo ti sọ́nsìn.
I don't want to say it before, but I've said it now.
Ó dẹ̀ ní mission.
And he have a mission.
Ọlọ́pàá máa lò fún wa
God
fún
is going
mẹ́ta.
to use it for us for 3 things.
A fẹ́ ṣe kẹrin.
He want to
Orí
do the
ìkẹyìn ló máa
first
ti
thing.
dà wá.
And he will betray us in the first stage.
A dẹ̀ lọ sinmi.
And he will go and rest.
Ọ̀rọ̀ ọba olùgbàlà. Tinubu only the next president in Nigeria.
He's our next president in
Atiku
Nigeria.
kò lọ bí kankan.
He's not going anywhere.
Ó tí ó kú ni. Atiku kò lọ bí
He's not
kan.
going anywhere.
But Tinubu will be president. 2023. Tó bá ti di ìrọ̀lẹ́ ní February. Bóyá 2023 náà fẹ́ dìbò. Òun náà máa announce Jagaban as a president of Nigeria. O lè bínú sí, o lè má bínú sí. Bí ẹlẹ́dàá wa ṣe fẹ́ nìyẹn. Because ó ní iṣẹ́ mẹ́ta pàtàkì.
Because there's 3 important
tó máa
works
ṣe fún
that he would do
ilẹ̀ Yorùbá.
for Yoruba land.
Àwọn tí wọ́n ń lé Odùduwà nation.
The people that have the Oduduwa nation.
They made a mistake.
Wọ́n ṣe àṣìṣe.
Without involving Tinubu.
Láì pe Tinubu sí.
Kọ́kọ́rọ́ Nàìjíríà.
The key of Nigeria.
Ó wà ní ọwọ́ Tinubu for the next
is in the hands
8
of
years.
Tinubu fún ọdún mẹ́jọ tó ń bọ̀.
For the next 8 years.
Ọdún mẹ́jọ tó ń bọ̀.
Májẹ̀mú lórúkọ mi. Ọmọ tí ìyá súre fún. Alọ́lọ́ ọmọ léèyàn tójú kì í tì. Àwọn tó mọ̀ kí náà máa sọ. Sọ pé mèsùà.